All right, here we are. Engineer number 2. Well, first of all, if you're engineer number 2, I need to unlock my name and unlock my avatar. I'm going to select both. I'm going to turn them around and use this move button to drag them over to workstation 2. And now I'm able to talk. So that's it. I'm not going to lock them down, but you can lock them down. So let's go back to where we were. Workstation number 2, engineer number 2. Here you are. You're going to calculate the cycle time overall. You got a very easy job. All you have to do is when we start, you have a timer, and when the first 5 parts make it into workstation 6, and workstation 6 breaks it all up and deletes those parts, the time stops. That's all you need to figure out. When are the 5 parts going to make it to workstation 6? And I'm going to include workstation 6 breaking them apart as part of the cycle time, and that's a change. And when workstation 6 deletes them, take the time. That's the cycle time overall for this operation. Good. You're done. Next video.